Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. A week or two ago I published a video about this 190D with its reverse light not working anymore. Unfortunately, weather was dreadful, is dreadful. I don't know if you can still see some remains of ice on the ground. We have 3 degrees. And I'm ready. I learned from a tip to my a comment to my video that the switch to activate the reverse lights is not in the car. I checked that out before. So I guess I will put the car on these nice little ramps and lay down in mud and snow and try to locate the switch. No tools in hand yet, just taking a look first, trying to find the switch, looking at the cables. If I can find them, the car will be dirty as hell because we're using it. Yeah, join me and keeping fingers crossed that I'll find something. I remember having this issue before, so I'll turn the car so I can put these against the curb. Lovely, just took me an hour, so let's get started. Of course, I tried to clean this place a bit, but I surely parked the car in a way that it's standing right on a puddle of muddy water. Did I mention it's 3 degrees? Just in case you wonder. Brought me some gloves because it's getting pretty cold on my hands. Otherwise, the car down here looks good as it's waxed. So I'd say all in all, fine condition. Of course I picked the wrong nut. Will be expert in doing so. It's too small. Good things are coming in threes. Oh, it's getting boring. Don't worry. I just remember that I heard this guy from the US say the 190D is one of the cars that are most easy to work on. I mean, actually he's right. If I would have this car on a ramp, I guess I would be done already. Okay, drop the nut again, don't worry. And here we go. Now let's take a look. Now let's take a look. Maybe we got some light here. So, what kind of switch is this one? Is this? Sorry. And what is this? I think I need to drop you for a second and stick my head right into this corner here. To get a better view. Just give me a second. Well, I just had an issue identifying the switch, which I couldn't. Sorry, I'm not a mechanic. So I'll head out and ask somebody, and as I edit the pictures from the parts that I saw, maybe you can help me out and tell me this is the switch. This is where you need to look. This is the part you need to replace. What I will do now is I will turn on the light, put the whole stuff back together again down here, and ask smarter people than me how I get to the switch. Put everything together and go shopping, have a beer, whatever. For you guys, have a super perfect weekend. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.